Hello. Today I want to talk to you about creating a poster presentation. A scientific poster presentation is a summary of your research. And before I go into the details, I just want to tell you what a great opportunity this is. Being asked to present a poster at a conference is really an important milestone. It means that you've completed your first nugget of scientific work. It also means that your group trusts you and that they want you to represent the group and the research in a public format. Um, and as you think about it, I also want you to know that this is the time where you might meet your next mentor, where you might find a new research area. So when you think about your first poster presentation, I also want you to think about this is opening you up to a wide range of possibilities. It's your introduction into the wider research community. Now, there are a lot of technical details on how to create a poster, but before we go into those, I want you to think a little bit about your abstract. At this point, you've submitted an abstract, it was accepted, you have a date. Um, Before you even sit down to write your poster, take a look at the abstract closely. What were the most important points? Um, you know, Very often your mentors or your colleagues will go through the scientific aspects in great detail. These days, most presentations are online, so you really have to curate what you're going to talk about. So the first tip is to really think about the most important points, and that's what we're going to focus on moving forward. And the second part is something I wish I knew a little earlier in my career. Science is really about the personal experience. Think about the best stories you have doing your research. Were you stuck for 2 months and then found a way out? How did you find your way out? Talk about that point where you realized you had a result, or you didn't realize it and then someone pointed it out to you. Um, those are really the important milestones in science. Um, Not only does it help you think about um, where you need to go, it also provides a way to connect with your audience. So to say that more concisely, when you share these stories about your research experience, people will connect with you on a personal level and they're more likely to remember your research. Um, why is that important? Because science is a long process. So the more people you connect with, the more people that can help you, and the more likely you're going to find an opportunity that you're just going to be really excited about. So with that said, that's my introduction, and I'll now move on to some more details.